There is a fruit that looks like a flower, tastes like a mix of cranberry and plum, and yet it works faster to lower your blood pressure than most medications. The best part? Almost no one knows about it. Hello there and welcome back to Health Daily. Today, we're diving into a rarely discussed fruit that could be your secret weapon against high blood pressure. And no, we're not talking about bananas, avocados, or oranges. We're talking about something truly surprising, something backed by science, something that's quietly helping thousands of seniors around the world stay off dangerous blood pressure meds. This fruit has been used in traditional medicine for centuries. And now, modern science is catching up, proving that it works fast, especially for people over 60. Stay with me till the end because I'll show you how to take it, how fast it works, and what to avoid for best results. Before we get started, do well to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss powerful health tips like this. If you've done that, let's get started. If you're over 60, chances are your doctor has checked your blood pressure dozens of times. But here's what many don't realize. High blood pressure damages your organs silently. It puts pressure on your heart, kidneys, arteries, and even your brain. Left unchecked, it leads to heart attacks, strokes, vision problems, memory decline, and kidney failure. Over 70% of seniors struggle with it, and most are on multiple meds, which come with side effects like dizziness, fatigue, and frequent urination. But what if a fruit could help lower your numbers naturally, without side effects? So, what's the unexpected powerhouse fruit that's changing lives? It's called hibiscus fruit, also known as Roselle. Yes, the same plant used to make hibiscus tea. But here's the twist. The calyx, the red fleshy part of the hibiscus flower, is technically a fruit, and it's loaded with compounds that work fast to bring your blood pressure down. This tropical fruit is native to Africa and Asia, but it's now grown worldwide. Most people just brew it into tea and forget about it. But if you eat the calyx raw, steep it fresh, or take a cold infusion daily, you'll experience its full medicinal power. Hibiscus fruit works on multiple levels to reduce blood pressure. Here's what makes it so powerful. 1. Rich in anthocyanins. These are natural pigments found in deep red and purple fruits that help relax and widen your arteries, allowing blood to flow more freely. This directly reduces pressure on your artery walls. 2. Natural ACE inhibitor. Hibiscus contains compounds that work similarly to ACE inhibitor drugs like lisinopril. These compounds block the enzyme that causes blood vessels to constrict, keeping your arteries relaxed and open. 3. Diuretic action. Hibiscus has a natural mild diuretic effect, which means it helps flush out excess sodium and fluid from the body. This reduces the total volume of blood your heart has to pump, lowering the pressure. 4. Anti-inflammatory effects. Chronic inflammation in the blood vessels can increase blood pressure. The polyphenol in hibiscus help calm that inflammation down. 5. High in potassium. Hibiscus contains potassium, which counteracts the effects of sodium and helps your body regulate blood pressure naturally. Don't just take my word for it. Let's look at what the science says. Study number 1. In a 6-week clinical trial from the Journal of Human Hypertension shows that people who drank hibiscus extract daily had systolic blood pressure drop by an average of 11 points. That's comparable to many prescription drugs. Study number 2. In the United States Department of Agriculture, a study of 65 adults with mildly high blood pressure showed that those who drank hibiscus tea once daily for 6 weeks saw a 7.2% reduction in systolic pressure. Study number 3. In the Journal of Ethnopharmacology, a study from Nigeria showed that patients aged 50 to 70 who consumed 250 milliliters of fresh hibiscus infusion daily experienced notable reductions in both systolic and diastolic pressure within just 2 weeks. And this wasn't just tea, this was real fruit infusion, made from the hibiscus calyx, the part that holds the real power. Now, here's what you'll love. Many seniors who take hibiscus daily begin seeing changes in their blood pressure readings in just 7 to 14 days. Some feel the difference even sooner, especially if they pair it with other healthy lifestyle changes like reducing salt, walking regularly, or staying hydrated. They often report fewer headaches, improved energy, less pressure in the chest or behind the eyes, better sleep, and reduced nighttime urination. Just remember, it's not magic. You need to be consistent. Natural remedies work with your body, not against it. So, how do you take this powerful fruit daily? Here are 3 simple ways. 1. Hibiscus calyx juice fresh. Boil the red calyx parts in water with a little ginger. Add a squeeze of fresh lemon and a teaspoon of raw honey. Chill and enjoy 1 glass daily. This version keeps more of the active compounds intact, especially when made fresh. 2. Cold hibiscus infusion. Soak dried hibiscus petals in room temperature water overnight. Strain and drink cold the next morning. Add mint or cinnamon for extra flavor. This gentle method preserves polyphenol and antioxidants better than boiling. 3. Hibiscus powder or capsules. Mix 1 teaspoon of hibiscus powder in smoothies or yogurt. Or take a high-quality organic capsule if fresh hibiscus isn't available. Pro tip: don't mix hibiscus with processed sugar. Instead, use honey, monk fruit, or stevia. Now, a quick warning. Seniors, please pay attention to this. Hibiscus may lower blood pressure too much if you're already on medications. While hibiscus is excellent for most people, you should avoid it or speak with your doctor if you already have very low blood pressure, hypotension. You're taking ACE inhibitors or diuretics, it may enhance the effect too much. You're pregnant or breastfeeding, hibiscus may affect hormones. You're taking acetaminophen, paracetamol. Hibiscus can slow how the liver processes it. When in doubt, check with your doctor, especially if you're on medication. Do you want even better results? Pair hibiscus with 1. Garlic. Garlic boosts nitric oxide, helping relax blood vessels and improve flow. It works alongside hibiscus to relax arteries from 2 angles. Use it fresh in tea or meals. 2. Celery. Rich in phthalates, celery helps arteries stay open and relaxed. It enhances hibiscus's effect on reducing vascular resistance. Blend in smoothies or eat raw. 3. Avocado. Packed with potassium and healthy fats, it reduces sodium's effect and inflammation. It supports long-term blood pressure balance with hibiscus. Add to breakfast or salads. 4. Pumpkin seeds. High in magnesium, which keeps blood vessels relaxed. It boosts hibiscus by improving nerve and artery function. Snack on them or sprinkle over food. 5. Dark chocolate, 80% plus. Loaded with flavonols that boost nitric oxide. It improves circulation and artery flexibility with hibiscus. Enjoy a small square daily. Finally, let's summarize. The number 1 unexpected fruit that lowers blood pressure in seniors is hibiscus, Roselle. It's rich in natural ACE inhibitors, polyphenol, and potassium. It works in 7 to 14 days when consumed daily. It's backed by scientific studies and can be taken as juice, tea, or powder. Most importantly, it's safe for most seniors, but talk to your doctor if you're on blood pressure meds. So, what do you think? Have you ever tried hibiscus fruit or tea before? Comment below and let us know your experience. Thank you for watching. Share it with someone who needs better health, and if you're over 60 and serious about aging well, staying independent, and protecting your health, subscribe to our channel. We've got more videos coming on how to protect your body, your brain, and your quality of life naturally. Don't go yet. Check out our videos on your screen and rebuild and maintain a better health before it is too late. Stay strong, stay healthy, and stay young at heart.